a view from a single $1 bill. Alright, so we're going to start out from a $1 bill. You could use a 3x7, but a $1 bill is obviously ideal. If you want to try to use currency of your country, then you just have to make it into a 3x7. Okay, so we fold it in half. Now fold the edge up like this. And turn it over and fold this edge up. Okay, now unfold like this, rotate, and we're going to take these corners and fold them up so that it goes right up to the crease. And it might be easier to do these both at the same time. Okay, now do the same thing on the other end. Alright, now fold this triangle behind. And same thing on this side. Okay, turn it over. And now we're going to fold this edge to this edge. You really only need to fold this part right here. Okay, now fold this edge to the bottom edge. And same thing, just right to the middle. And same thing on this side. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out this raw corner right here and flatten it down like that. Same thing over here, just pull out the flap, release the layers, and flatten it. And let's do the same thing over here. Pull it out and flatten, and pull out and flatten. Okay. Okay, let's rotate it so you see $1. And we're now going to fold this side over so that the edge meets right like this. Crease, 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 crease. Okay. Now what we're going to do is take this edge and we're going to fold it up so that this corner hits that middle crease right there. And it's anchored right at this corner. So what we're doing is we're sliding it up until the corner hits that middle crease. This is the middle crease. Okay, and fold it. And now fold this edge over to this edge. And that should make 30 degrees. 30, 30, or 60, yeah. Alright, now unfold here, and you're going to fold on the middle crease and the crease that we just made, and now connect it with a valley fold that goes from that point right there to here, and it's basically just squeezing like that, and so we have a rabbit ear. Alright, turn it over. And we're going to match it on this side with another rabbit ear. So, valley fold, and you want to line up with this edge right here, and valley fold lining up with this edge behind. And once again, fold along the middle line so we make a rabbit ear. And this time you can fold it down like this. And now open up here and open up this pocket right there and flatten. Now we have it looking like this. Okay, now we're going to reverse fold this flap right here. So you could just stick it in, but might as well just valley fold, mountain fold, and now stick it in. Bloop. And unfold here, and unfold the back flap too. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. So, valley fold, mountain fold, stick it in, and unfold here, and unfold here. Alright, now let's make these stick out like this, and open up. Oh, hi George. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to try to make this thing right here into a square. So, well, it kind of is a square, but what I mean is that we have to just pinch right here and pinch right here, like that. And you can kind of gauge it. You don't want to pinch more than his nose. No. Yeah, just pinch like that. That's good. Okay. And you see now this is perpendicular. You can tell because this edge will align with here. You see, just like that, and it will end up looking like a box. And the box on the bottom, if we were to flatten it out, it would make two triangles right here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to make it more like a square, so that this angle right here is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Otherwise it would be 60 degrees, you see? But if we push it further down, then we can get it so that it's 90 degrees. Alright, so now to make, ooh look, something from Star Wars. Okay, now what we're going to do is push this down like this. We're just sinking from this side. You can see it's just pushing it down basically. And reverse fold. So there's the heart. And just shape the heart so that it looks like a heart. Sculpt it. From the back you can sculpt it like this. And this is round, round. This comes to a point. There, and there. Okay. Now for the eye, this is the eye, and this is going to be the U. So for the eye, let's fold this down and squash it. And take this flap right here and stick it inside, just right into the nearest pocket. And go both ways, and now you just let it go. It should be like the top of an eye. Okay, let's do the same thing on the bottom of the eye. Okay, so we fold this here. Open up the pocket. Okay, and tuck this flap inside. Okay, make sure both both ways. And there is our I. And we got our love. And now for the U. So let's first open up here, and what we're going to try to do is take this interior corner and fold it all the way to that back point there. So just reach in and curl it back so that it goes all the way to the back corner. Okay, and now you can fold it maybe like that. This is a judgment fold. You could fold it like that or like this. Okay, and let's try to curl the U. So you can just sort of do a wrinkle fold here. You hold it between your fingers and just loosen up that paper so that it curves. And there is the U. And there is the I love you. And what's actually really cool about this thing, that I didn't even try to do, but it just happened, is if you look at George, look how he always follows you. You see it always moves its head? It works better if you actually move, but you see how he's always looking at you? Anyway, alright, well, I love you. Aw, isn't that sweet? Well, I hope you guys find this model very useful in your romantic escapades, and yeah, see you later.